everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to come on by. If you are returning, thank you so much for stopping by yet again. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed to the Seasoned Beauties community, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Move on in. We'd be glad to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, today we are going to open up our Allure beauty box. Now, I do apologize that we have already gotten into April before you see this, but for some reason this month it took an exorbitant amount of time for the products to come in, but we do finally have it. So let's just jump right in and see what was in the March/April box. Okay, now first of all, when we open it up, of course, the hashtag Allure beauty box, and we have an overstuffed envelope. So there's product on the top, but the first thing, of course, that we grab is our description pamphlet, and of course this says the all-star lineup. So let's see what the all-star lineup includes. Now, I told you there was something outside of the bag, and that is the Derma E Essentials, and this is the microdermabrasion scrub. Oh, rather citrusy. Smells nice though. It's quite gritty. That's what it's supposed to be, you know, because it is a microdermabrasion product. So let's go ahead and see what they have to say about this. It says Derma E Microdermabrasion Scrub. The scrub with salt and grapeseed oil collapses many skincare steps into one pot. We love that. Things that are going to get us through our routines rather quickly. It lifts away dead cells, clears pores, moisturizes, and it delivers. The manufacturer suggested retail price for the full size is actually $32.50, and you can go on to dermae.com to make your purchase. Okay, so then, since that's what was on the outside of the pouch, this month's pouch color is white. Last month was red. No, last month it was black, and the month before was red. So let's see what happens next month. Okay, now the first product inside, I told y'all it's quite a few pieces in here, look at that. But the first product we have is the All Natural stick. All right, and this is the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick. All Natural. Okay, let's check it out. This shade is actually called Grapefruit. I'm loving the packaging, by the way. Very minimalist, but it's that matte black. This is gorgeous. Color's not bad either. All right, let's see on my skin tone. Here we go. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $35, and it can be purchased at allnaturalcosmetics.com. That would be product number 2. Next we have okay, this item right here is actually the companion to something we received on last month. Okay, this is the Maimondi Rose Water Toner. It seems as if this month's Allure box bag is focused around skincare, which I love. I'm all for that. I have a video that I want you to watch. It's probably not uploaded when this goes up, but it will be coming shortly after. Are you a copycat? Why are you doing the skincare and or makeup routine that somebody else is doing? Why are you doing it? What was the reason why you chose to do what they do? That's something we're going to talk about, okay? So be on the lookout for that video. All right, nonetheless, this Monday Rose Water Toner. It's made with organic damask roses that the brand says were hand-picked at dawn. That's very interesting. She said, I certainly wasn't there for the harvesting of these flowers, but I can confirm that this toner feels so silky as putting on rose petals. The manufacturer suggested retail price on the full size is $23, and you can go to mamonday.com to get the full size product. And our next item is by Bioscience, and this is a Square Lane Peptide Eye Gel. This quick absorbing oil keeps under eyes plumped and hydrated. Fine crinkly lines are much less noticeable, as is the puffiness often associated with, in the morning when you wake up. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this item, which the packaging is rather nice as well, but the manufacturer suggested retail price on this is $54 for the full-size product, and it can be purchased at bioscience.com. Now, this is how it came out. Just did a little dab. Oh my. I'm really all about that skincare. I have one item that I am, well, actually a line, not just an item, that I am very, very loyal to. It doesn't really have a scent to it. It's just very fresh smelling, I guess is the best way to put it. Okay, and that is our Bioscience Square Lane Peptide Eye Gel in this gorgeous packaging. Okay, moving right along, the next item we have is by the company Allure. Okay, and this one says Allure Seriously Soothing Night Oil. There are 10 hydrating oils packed in here, but this mix is delightfully light. It's used after her retinol treatment at night or on dry spots before makeup. All right. She says she even uses it on the ends of her hair. That's interesting. Manufacturer's retail price is $12.99 for a 1 ounce size. Okay, and this one right here is a 0.3 fluid ounce size. Just very clear. Twist off with a roller ball. It has a very nice citrusy smell to it. Nice lightweight oil. It's not overpowering, and a little bit definitely goes a long way. This is where I put it right here. So as you can see, it's very moisturizing looking. What is moisturizing looking? I'm not sure, but it looks well moisturized in that area. So that's what that one is about. Okay, the next item that I have is a Vichy product. How about that? Okay, and this one is Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. The water comes from Vichy, France, a city famous for its healing mineral springs. It says, legend has it that they treat skin conditions, digestive issues, and even migraines. That says a lot right there. Okay. And the other 11% includes hyaluronic acid and glycerin that also do an excellent job of leaving skin quenched. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for a full-size product, this is our sample, is $29.50. And of course you can purchase it on VichyUSA.com. Next product that we have is the Overnight Recovery Balm, and this is by the company Ren. And this is a facial balm. Sounds very heavy, but this one is quick absorbing, and after a few days its natural oils, okay, she said it got rid of the redness and dry spots that were making her skin look uneven and ashy. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one in full-size form is $48, and it can be purchased at renskincare.com. Yes, this was truly a skincare box, and I'm here for it. I am truly here for it. So those are the products that are in our March/in April Allure Beauty Box. Now, for those of you who are who currently do not subscribe to the Allure Beauty Box, I must admit I did love it. I do love it. Now, if you remember, the only reason that I got it before was because it had something in it that I wanted, and I canceled only to be pulled back in, and in all honesty, I think I came willingly. So the monthly subscription price is $15 per month. However, down below, I have a code just for those that abide in the Seasoned Beauties community. Go ahead and take advantage of this code, okay? You will get your first box for $10, and you'll get some great introductory gifts as well. 2 of them to be exact. So, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Just getting ready to upload when I got a special message. Those of you who are considering trying out the Allure box, this is a fantastic month to do so, because I'm going to show you a picture somewhere up here, possibly the whole screen, of the variations for new subscribers during the month of April, which is a totally cool makeup. Totally cool makeup box. However, I'm telling you, if you have been up in the air about becoming a part of the Allure family, this may very well be the month that you decide, I'm just going to go ahead and show you some pictures, okay? All right, just wanted to drop that line. Okay, we're going to jump back into the regular part of the video. Thank you. What's up? Share it with your skincare loving friends. Now, more importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.